guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sitting down for the very requested updated interlocking video. I've mentioned in pretty much all of my last recent videos that it was just really hard for me to figure out how to record this because I use this camera to see the back of my head when I'm interlocking now. So we're jumping in here after I've already done the back, and I'm just doing the sides and the top now, which I just used a trifold mirror for. My water spray, which has rosemary oil and peppermint oil in it. I would also just use plain water, but this just happens to be the spray that I use every day and I keep in my fridge on hand, so yeah. And my clips, and that's pretty much it. You know, a camera, a mirror, something to keep your hair wet / hydrated while you're going to avoid breakage, and that's really all you need. And yeah, so if you've been procrastinating interlocking or retightening your locks, or you just need some quick inspiration, we're just gonna do a chill sit down video right now. And yeah, all the tools I use will be linked down below, and let's hop on in. wanted to hop back in for a second to let you guys know that the reason why I can go pretty quickly with my interlocking is because I interlock when I feel like there's enough hair to do a rotation. My hair grows pretty fast, even though it's obviously, in a shrinked phase right now. I think it's right now probably about once a month that I'm interlocking, but you can see that not all of my locks do a full rotation. What I make sure to do is to go an even number of passes through each lock so that the next time I interlock my hair, I don't go through the same direction and make a hole. Like if I'm going north, east, south, west, but that's too tight for my current lock and I can only go north, east, I make sure to end on east and not south so that I don't make a hole when I start next month on north again. I really hope that makes sense. But yeah, I don't like my locks to be too tight, so I don't go all the way down the root. I only lock my hair as far as my pinky finger can still fit in the root. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super psyched to be seeing my hair kind of locking and growing. Recently, my dad told me that he thought my hair was really locking. Of course, it's like hard for you to notice when you see yourself every day, so that was reassuring to hear. I also want to let you guys know that I have a really exciting video planned for posting at the end of July. I have been working on a time lapse of my hair so that we can see it progress in real time. And I'm probably going to be keeping that up for at least a couple of years. So at the end of July, that will be my 6th month time lapse. And then I'll probably do like a year, then maybe 18 months, then 2 years. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. And guys, have an excellent day. Love ya. Bye.